many engines on them. Wow. But they fly. Alright, we're in Thailand here. Today we're on Beach Road, Pattaya. Very busy, very busy. All round, people. More people today than last night. So we're going to have a little wander down Beach Road and have a look. Check it out. Have a little look on the beach. See what you think of that. I don't think it's much of the beach here, to be honest with you, but not much of a sea. Here we go, let's have a look. To me, I think it's nice, but it's very narrow, and when it's packed, it's really packed. It's not that nice when it's really packed. Nowhere is it? So let's cross the road here. The new Hooters bar in Pattaya. This opened on the 31st of December this year, 2015. And it's great. It really is great. Quickly run you in there, and very difficult in Thailand finding girls with Hooters. So they got what they could. So let's have a quick run in. Hey, have a quick look. The ballroom, back in Bronco. The food here is wonderful. I've been here a few times. I've eaten here. They have a live band in the evening. The live bands from the Philippines are now really good. They really are. Now, what I'll say is the food is expensive-ish, but it's big. You get a hell of a lot. So although it's expensive, a meal would do two of you, literally a meal, a dinner would do two of you. Even the starters are a meal. They're massive. Beach Road, yeah. Little showies off of Beach Road that lead down to Second Road, and some of them are a good night out. There's some good bars in them, and we'll do a few. We will be doing a few. Maybe do a few of a night time rather than daytime, when they're busy and things are really going on. Yeah, that'd be nice. Garden Plaza shopping mall, very big again. Looks like they've got on the roof up there, they've got a restaurant. I don't know if they've got a pool or anything, but we'll have a look one day. We'll go up there and see. Road now, see the traffic piling up. There's a bend at the left which goes down to the traffic lights at Second Road. And it all snows up down here. Like it snows up with the people down here. Oh, Chinese, more Chinese. Doing their little tours. See the lady with a stick, with a blue bit of cloth on the top of the stick? She's the tour guide. And she'll walk along in front with that stick in the air. And they'll all follow the stick like sheep. It's quite funny to watch overnight. They don't go in any bars, they don't go in anywhere. They don't see anything. All they see is a stick with a blue flag on it. Or blue bit of cloth. Some have a teddy bear. But you see them walking along with all the Chinese just looking at the stick to make sure they don't get lost. Or frightened. And to make sure they only go where the tour guide wants her to go. Where she can get her permissions from any sales, and but they'll stick to her that flag like glue. Whatever she's got on that stick, that is all they saw. What did you see last night? Saw a teddy bear on a stick. Oh, where was that? Walking Street. And what else was down there? I don't know, but there was a teddy bear on a on a stick, and you don't see them look at anything except whatever's on the end of that stick. That's what they're following. We've got some construction here. It's got Pattaya Beach Nourishment. I don't know what they're putting up here. But I'll tell you what, they're showing a beautiful blue sea and sand and people, and doesn't that look beautiful? You've seen the reality. They should be nicked for putting that up like that. That looks beautiful. I'd like to go there one day. Wouldn't you? Would you like to go there one day? Hey? I would love to go there one day. But it ain't here. So, beautiful blue sea. It looks like a cold cup of tea here. I wouldn't swim in it, that's for sure. I'd take the swimming pools and a ferry across to Koh Larn. That's beautiful. We'll go there one day. Lovely little island. The sea's blue. The sea's blue. The water's blue. It's only 20-25 minutes on the ferry, which I can just about handle. I do start to get a bit queasy towards the end, but as soon as you're off with that, it goes. So I can do that. So we'll go across the Koh Larn. I can do that because I've done it. I've done it twice in 15 months. So yeah, I don't ever fancy it, but I know when you get there it's great. So anyway, we come along to the end. As I said, the traffic really builds up. About a quarter of the third way down Waterdown Beach Road, and Andy will have the motorbike. And as we get to the end of Beach Road, as you can see, there's Walking Street at the end there. Veers round to the left, goes back up to Second Road. We've got just before it, we've got, I won't go in there now because I'm going to do another vlog on these venues. You've got the beer garden, and a big digger where they're doing the bit of construction here. Matches the shirt. I could be a digger driver. Here it is, the beer garden. It's at the end of a little pier. It's a lovely restaurant, lovely during the day for lunches, dinners, breakfasts. But it's a nice restaurant, but of an evening, it's a huge bar area. And it's a freelance bar. You've got a lot of girls go there that they don't work for bars, and they're freelance. So you can go in there, have a at all, pick up a girl, no bar fine. Normally the bars will charge you a 300 euro, yeah, I reckon, a 300 bar fine to take the girl out. Well, these bars, there's this one, End of Bamboo, which is it's another vlog I'll show you. But they're all freelance. There's no bar girls work there, and I'll explain when I do the vlog, I'll explain the pros and cons of a freelance girl. They're nice, they're lovely girls, but there's always pros and cons. We'll come back to that. Anyway, if you like my vlog today, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe. Need more subscribers. Well, I'll always need more subscribers, but I'll keep pestering and keep vlogging until you do. So you may as well. Why go for all the pain when you can just do it now? Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.